If you've ever stared at a blank screen thinking, what should I publish? Or you're tired of waiting weeks to create content before you can start making money, then you're going to love this. Because what I'm about to show you gives you 30 ready-to-publish blog articles, each one fully SEO optimized and built to help beginners get free traffic without paying $1 for ads. Stick with me because this one has insane value, and my bonus bundle alone makes this a no-brainer. So here's my quick take. If you're a beginner, blogger, affiliate marketer, or someone who wants plug-and-profit content, this pack is absolutely worth it. The content quality is solid, the structure is professional, and the PLR rights mean you can sell it, publish it, or even turn it into a course. And yes, I grabbed it myself. If you already like where this is going, hit the link below. But let me walk you through everything first. This product is called Top 30 Free Traffic Methods for Beginners. It's a done-for-you content bundle with 30 detailed traffic method articles, each one 500 plus words. Keyword clusters included SEO meta title and description, full outline FAQ section, schema suggestions, and HTML format ready to paste. Who's this for? Total beginners, affiliate marketers, bloggers, coaches, anyone who needs content fast, and it solves the big problem most beginners face. I want free traffic, but I don't know what to publish or how to teach it. With this pack, you can literally copy, right pointing arrow paste, right pointing arrow monetize. 4. Dashboard walkthrough, screen voiceover, 140 to 240. Alright, now on screen, you can see the members area. Inside, everything is organized clearly, so you don't waste time hunting for files. You'll see the full article pack folder keyword clusters, SEO metadata schema suggestions, HTML formatted versions, extras, and training resources. Let me open one file so you can see the structure. As you can see, the writing is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. The outline is already formatted with H2 and H3 headings, meaning it's blog-ready and SEO-friendly instantly. Scroll down, and here's the FAQ section. Scroll again, and here's where most beginners take forever, schema and formatting. But here, it's done. So within literally minutes, you can publish this as a blog post, use it as a PDF lead magnet, or convert it into lessons inside a membership or course. There are optional upgrades. Depending on when you're watching, pricing may vary, but here's the general breakdown. OTO 1, more done-for-you content packs to expand your library. OTO 2, ready-to-sell funnels and sales pages. OTO 3, resell licensing or upgrade to use as a recurring membership product. OTO 4, advanced assets like email sequences, video scripts, and extra bonuses. You don't need the upgrades to make this work, but if you want to build a full content business around it, now this is where it gets exciting. If you pick this up using the link below, you're getting exclusive access to my bonus vault. These bonuses are designed to help you publish faster, build traffic faster, and monetize faster. You'll get WP Slideshow Master, create attention-grabbing visual content fast, WP Swift Page plugin, speed up your site and lower bounce rate, lead book generator, automate Facebook leads directly into your autoresponder. WP Email Timer Plus, add urgency timers inside emails and pages, conversion equalizer, boost ad conversion ratios automatically, sales page recycler, repurpose pages without rebuilding. Action poll, segment your list and improve conversions, article analyzer, optimize content for SEO fast pin marketer, automate Pinterest for free traffic. Affiliate marketing Thrive course, learn the exact steps to scale, and yes, all bonuses are delivered automatically after purchase. Here's the truth. Done-for-you content like this usually sells for 2 to 3 times the price, and the PLR rights alone make it worth grabbing early. If you're tired of overthinking content, struggling to publish, or waiting until someday to finally build your traffic, this removes the roadblocks instantly. But my bonuses are strictly limited. I'm only giving them to the next 25 buyers or until the timer expires. Whichever happens first. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you want everything you just saw, click the link below now. Alright, that wraps up the review. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment if you want me to compare this pack to another product. Your download link and bonus delivery details are below in the description. Click it now, and I'll see you inside.